Hi, this is Phil from WTI. I'm here to talk about the FineDine glass container set. This set comes with 10 different size glasses, all various sizes, and each one comes with a lid. I'm in charge of putting leftovers away, and these things are incredible. One of the things I like about it is how it keeps the air out. Once you put this on, you'll slide it on. It doesn't want to really go down all the way. You pull this little guy up, it lets the air in, and then it slides in the rest of the way. Push that down. Honestly, it does the job. It does the job well. I use it for work. I use it for anything around the house that we need to get food ready for the next day or something like that. This does the trick. We were able to get rid of lots of other things because it's a 20-piece set. It's really good to have. We got rid of more than half of our stuff. So when it comes to washing them, these are dishwasher safe. So no matter what, both of these get washed, no problem. But when it comes to cooking, this goes in the oven or the microwave. These don't. Well, I can't express how much I like these. They're very durable, great to have. My wife likes them, and they really do the trick for our situation in my family. I think you'll like them too, and that's my point of view.